In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a secondary domain on Bluehost, whether you've just purchased a new domain or you have one sitting over at another provider like GoDaddy. I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to connect it to your Bluehost account so you can start using it for a website or email. First, make sure you're logged into your Bluehost portal in your web browser. This is your main control area for everything related to your hosting account, websites, and domains. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now so you land on your main dashboard. Once you're on the Bluehost dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options. Find the one labeled Domains. This is where Bluehost lets you manage everything related to the domain names connected to your account, including your primary domain and any extras you add later on. Click on the Domains tab to open the Domain Management area. After the Domain section loads, you'll see a list of the domains currently associated with your account, along with some options for managing them. What we want to do here is add a new secondary domain. To do that, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You should see a button that says Add a Domain. Go ahead and click that. Clicking this button opens up a small flow where Bluehost asks what kind of domain you want to add. This is an important step because the option you choose depends on whether you already own the domain somewhere else or you're planning to buy a new one through Bluehost. If you've already bought your domain at another registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any similar provider, you'll want to choose the option that says Connect an external domain. This tells Bluehost, I already own this domain, I just want to point it here. After selecting this, Bluehost will usually ask you to type in the domain name you own, and it may give you instructions for updating your DNS or name servers at your other provider. You'll need to complete those DNS changes on the site where you purchased the domain, so the domain actually points to Bluehost. It might take a bit of time for those changes to fully update across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't work instantly. DNS propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes to a day or so. On the other hand, if you don't yet own the domain and you're ready to buy one now through Bluehost, choose the option that says Get a brand new domain. With this choice, Bluehost will walk you through searching for a domain name, checking if it's available, and then purchasing it directly in your account. Once you complete the purchase, Bluehost automatically associates that new domain with your hosting, which usually makes setup a bit quicker and simpler. After you've selected the right option for your situation and followed the on-screen prompts, your secondary domain will be added to your Bluehost account. From there, you'll be able to assign it to a specific site, set up email, or configure redirects depending on what you need. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add a secondary domain on Bluehost, either by connecting one you already own or by registering a brand new one directly through your hosting account.